Today I'm going to be teaching you a quick recipe on how to make your favorite coffee at home with this drip coffee maker. So let's begin.
So what is a drip coffee maker? Drip coffee is a brewing method where hot water drips onto a bed of coffee grounds and then it filters down into the cup or a pot.
First, I'm going to be demonstrating on how you can actually use this drip coffee maker. So it comes with 3 easy attachments. This is a spout where you put the decoction in. Then you have a filter and another filter here. Another thing to note when you're actually making this is to use another filter paper around here because it tends to stain pretty easily. And so yeah, let's begin. For this recipe, you will need your favorite coffee mug. I'm going to be using this Dorman's coffee, which is a medium roast coffee, and about a cup of milk.
The product comes with cup measurements on the pot, which helps you add water with the right measurement in. So first, I'm going to pour the water into the container. Ideally, you should use water which is at a room temperature, and then the next step is to add the coffee powder in. So depending on how dark and rich you want your coffee, you can add the powder in. I'm going to be using a 2:2 coffee with water ratio, which will make about 2 cups of coffee. Now I've added my coffee into the filter and you'll see within 2 minutes the decoction will start dripping. As you can see here, the coffee is dripping steadily. Guys, I wish you could smell the aroma right now. It's delicious. I cannot wait.
And the decoction is done. Now for those of you who like your coffee black, this is where you stop your process. Just pour yourself a steaming hot cup of coffee. A lot of people do not like their coffee bitter. So what you can do is add your cup of milk to it. If you want sugar, you can add sugar as well, or else this is where you stop your process. I hope you really like the video. Give it a thumbs up.